Hi, Bob here in the garage. Today we're taking apart a 97 Honda Magna VF750. We're going to replace the air filter and the sub-air filter. So here's the bike with the fuel tank removed already. All I did, there's a star bolt right here, Torx bolt. You remove that, and this is a vent tube. It goes on the bottom of the tank. And remove your fuel tube from the petcock. Now as you go around the box here, there's going to be 8 bolts, 2, 3, one up here, 4, and the same on the other side. There's also 2 screws in here. That's a retaining brace that holds the top of the box on. So we're going to start by removing this, and then we'll take the 8 bolts off. Sub-air filter, which is part number 17254-KAZ-000, and one new air filter. OEM parts. This is 172-110-MZ5-000. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started putting the bike back together. Go ahead and remove filter housing. I'm going to check this more frequently because there was nothing left when I removed it, so they disintegrate and they get sucked up into your intake and ain't no good.